Hey guys, Kelly here, and this is Mindful Bodyworks. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be doing a do-it-yourself foaming hand soap. So this is a great hand soap. I love to make this. I use a few different variations, so I'm going to show you two ways to do this at home with stuff that you probably already have. So the ingredients that we need Dr. Bronner's unscented Castile Soap. So any Castile soap would work. You do want it to be unscented if you can. Optional, we're either going to use a capful of Thieves Cleaner or 10 drops of Thieves Essential Oil. So depending on what you already have at home or what you can get quickly. So either one of those. And then usually I'll add a little bit of vitamin E oil. I do this because at work, doing massage therapy, I'm having to wash all the way up to my elbows after each and every client. So my forearms get dried out really quickly. So usually I'll just add a couple drops of vitamin E oil. This would be good if you get a little drier in the winter months, or maybe you're just prone to dry skin. Add a little bit of vitamin E oil, or maybe just a drop or two of coconut oil, and that will help moisturize as well. So our other ingredients, we have distilled water. With the distilled water, if you don't have distilled water and you don't want to go out and buy any, you can just boil water, let it cool, and then use it that way. And I'm going to be using or recycling, I guess it's upcycling technically, a foam soap bottle. So you have to have a bottle that has the foaming pump. So you can't use a regular soap dispenser. So this one is just a brand that I won't name, but if you have a Thieves foaming soap, you could definitely use that, and it would look pretty in your bathroom at home too. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started without talking too long. So today we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of the Castile soap. So I'm going to eye this because I'm at work and I don't have a tablespoon measurer. You can either use a cap full of cleaner or 10 drops of oil. I'm going to use the cleaner. You could also add a little bit of lemon or orange or something if you wanted to have more of a scented soap. Okay, so that's an option. So if you don't have Thieves Cleaner, you're using 10 drops of Thieves Essential Oil. And then I'm going to add a couple drops of my vitamin E oil. This one is almost gone. There we go. Guess it's time to recycle that too. And then you're gonna do your distilled water. Remember that you wanna have room for the pump to go in without overflowing. I tell you this from experience. So leave a little bit at the top. So when you put your pump in, you're not overflowing. And then you just wanna give it a little bit of a turn here just to get everything mixed, and then we're gonna check it out. All right, so let's see how foamy it is. Nice and foamy. So this is really good. It smells delicious as well. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel just helps me share free information through YouTube with little videos like this. So again, thanks for watching and have a great day.